Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Here we are in Bulunmaz booth in Istanbul Jewelry Show. As you probably know, we have two versions of Istanbul Jewelry Show. One is in March and one is in October. If you are coming to Turkey, you are always welcome to visit our jewelry shows because you will find tons of beautiful companies, beautiful products here. In every exhibition, we are having more and more new products for you, new product development. So I would like to show you a little bit of our news in this exhibitions, new developments, new products. Here we have an outside product. That's an Italian company, Italian manufacturer. That machine is our import. It's not our production, but it's an important sign of our interest in developing technologies, in investing high-tech industries. That's a CVD diamond analyzer, totally working with an advanced AI technology. Enes is taking care of our Diatech diamond analyzer. How is it going, Enes?
Absolutely amazing, I can say that, because here is our newest technology. As you can see, we analyze diamonds, as you can see. Also, as you can see, there are some diamonds synthetic diamonds, HPHD, simulate diamonds, carbon zinat, as you can see. If you want to learn more information about diamonds and newest technology, you can visit us bulunmaz.com.
We will have a much better advanced video on YouTube explaining about our new machine, Diatech CVD diamond analyzer. So don't forget to subscribe on Bulunmaz YouTube channel to follow up our next videos. Here you can see our diamond tools. There are plenty of new diamond tools because we are developing new designs every day. And here is Turgay. He has some beautiful developments for us. What is new in this exhibition?
This time is we have a new machine, already is color machine. We make many different design. If you want this I made it. This one is actually we have new machine. This our new machine is color machine. We make perfect line because
you can see rainbow colors on your product. So with this machine,
also we make is combined by micromotor. But this also you see is in perfect line. That's why we have a new machine actually, an automatic machine. But also you can make by hand. I show you. This one is manual. You can use everywhere.
So with this coloring machine, you can decorate your products with rainbow colors. So there's a little vibration on this product. So whenever you are cutting, you will have rainbow colors on your product. That's really a simple machine. Turgay will teach you all about. There is also an automatic version of the color machine. So you can use it by hand or you can use our special machine for mechanical machine it's an automatic one. So that will be even better lines on your products.
This is new machine, is automatic one. Is also you can use if you want to make like this perfect line, and you can use this machine. We have also another attachment. Also you can make a hammering machine. We put the hammering machine. Background is automatic also. Bangle is turning, hammering is working. Just touch because is my hand is very long time. That's why we made automatic one.
Very nice, very beautiful.
Yeah.
New technology.
New technology.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Let's go to the next department, our CNC machines. Furkan is here, our beautiful bluebird Furkan.
Welcome.
Can you explain me what developments do you have in CNC machines this year?
Here we have new machine, ball machine. You can see how make the balls.
This is a CNC machine for decorating the balls, beads, round shape, any size, small, big, oval shape, different shapes.
Yes.
How the machine works?
You can see the machines, how it works. The cutting saw blade, cut the ball corners and middle.
There's a diamond tool cutting the beads in every degrees. So it gives a shiny disco ball effect, shiny effect, diamond cut effect. And it's totally automatic machine. It's changing the beads automatically. As you just see now, there was a mistake on the previous ball, so the machine identifies and takes out these beads and continue its work with the new one.
Okay, we can go to Banglemaster.
That's our 12-axis CNC machine. It's currently working on a ring, but we have several developments on Banglemaster also.
Yes, we have for models for bangles, ring and some pendants, flat pendants. Also we have new development for vacuum table. Now you can see just making ring, but we have vacuum table. And you can vacuum the flat things. And
so you can keep the flat parts with a vacuum, so it's pulling with the air and you can easily work on it.
Also, I want to show you some designs from Banglemaster, especially one
Very beautiful.
heart with stones. Also one more here. Also we have more.
You can see plenty of different models. Many of them are special for Banglemaster. You cannot make with many other machines in the market because there are special movements that you will not find in the other machines.
For example, this design name is Dragon. You cannot make another machine. You can make just with Banglemaster 12 axis.
Let's go to another department, our mechanical machines. These are one of the product lines that our best seller. Here you can see Mücahit is working on a inside lathe. Just get a closer look. With these machines you can work outside, inside of rings, bangles, other round objects. You can decorate them, you can reshape them, reform them. Here we have the faceting machines. They are designed for more advanced decoration. You can work on flat pieces, rings, bangles, earrings. With help of different attachments, you can adjust whatever product you are in any karat, of course, silver, gold, 8 karat, 10 karat, 14 karat, 22 karat, whatever you want, and you can decorate easily. Don't forget, Bulunmaz is all about decoration. We focus very much on decoration of your products with especially diamond cuts technology, so you can have the maximum shine on your jewelry. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you so much for visiting our booth in Istanbul Jewelry Show and watching our video on YouTube. Here is a sign of our participation in Istanbul Jewelry Show. I don't know how many years we are participating in Istanbul Jewelry Show. As I remember, the first time was 90 or 92 year 1992. We always wait you to visit our booth, and don't forget to subscribe down here Bulunmaz YouTube channel because we are posting different videos continuously from different exhibitions all around the world. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Спасибо большое.
Пожалуйста.
Muchas gracias.
De nada.
Habibi. Shukran.
Mashkur.
Mashkur. See you next time.
Bye bye.